Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the APA PsycArticles database. First, you'll navigate up to the library website at DivineMercy.edu/library/. Next, you'll come down to the navigation bar, go to Find, Library Databases. You'll see some of these PsycNet databases that are available here. You'll navigate to PsycArticles. You'll sign in with your library code. For instructions on how to sign into the library, check out our video, How to Sign into the Library, in the card above. First, what is APA PsycArticles? It provides full-text access to complete articles, not just abstracts, from top psychology journals, which are peer-reviewed. All articles go through rigorous scholarly review. They have broad coverage. They cover a wide range of psychology topics, including clinical, cognitive, developmental, social, and industrial organizational psychology. They have historical and current research. This includes articles dating back to 1894, ensuring access to foundational studies, as well as the latest research. They have frequent updates. New articles are added regularly to keep the database current. Please note, PsycArticles does not include the full content of psych books, PsycInfo, or other APA databases. However, one may access these resources from the Browse feature in the navigation bar, which we will discuss soon. To search, come over to the advanced search bar and type in your search phrase. For purposes of this video, we will use faith-based organizations. Then come over to the blue button that says search with the magnifying glass and click it. So see, we have 17 results. You can filter the results over on the left-hand side. If you want a peer-reviewed journal, you could click that. You could filter by year, certain index terms, religion, religious organizations, faith, etc., affiliation of the authors. Once you've filtered your results, you'll click the blue PDF link to open up the full-text article. To download the article, you'll click the downward arrow in the navigation bar. And to print your article, you'll click the printer icon in the navigation bar. If you're on a metered connection, like a cell phone, or using data of some kind that is restricted, you may want to select the full-text HTML option. This will allow you to read the full text of the article, but in a format that does not take up as much data. To access the other resources and databases, when you're in the APA PsycArticles section, you will come up to the top, click Browse, and select one of the other databases. For instance, if you wanted to search something in Psych Books, you would click Psych Books, and then you would be able to search in that database. Or likewise, maybe you wanted Psych Extra to search for some grade literature. You could do that as well, right from the navigation bar. Hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please contact the library staff. Thank you.